Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another cleaning motivation video. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe and join the family. If you are already subscribed, I want to thank you so much for coming back for another video. You know that you're going to get some cleaning motivation, so let's go ahead and jump right into this and get this cleaned up. Alright, so as you guys can see, I was folding laundry, which is my least favorite task, and I actually am going to have more laundry to fold in a minute, and I did put a good clip in here of me fast file folding my clothes, but I am cleaning up the living room first because we had dishes in the living room, so I wanted to start in the living room, get that all squared away, then move into the kitchen and get all the dishes and everything else done. And then we also are going to be decorating for the 4th of July party that I have each year. Hey, so I would love to know if you guys do file folding method, or if you just do traditional, or do you fold the clothes in your drawers, or do you just kind of put them in there? I just am curious to see what other people do. Ever since I seen the Marie Kondo file folding method, I have been in love with it, and I think that our drawers stay a lot more organized and neater with this method of folding. I'm always interested to find out what other people do, so let me know in the comments down below. And the shirt that I'm wearing today really exemplifies my mood. It says mom life, comfy pants, messy bun, late nights, getting stuff done. And that is me. Although this is not a late night yet, it will be a late night, and my pants are comfy, my hair is in a messy bun, and I am getting stuff done. So love this shirt. JCPenney's was where it was. Okay, so for the longest time I was a believer that the throws that you put on your couch are for fall and winter and colder times of the year. Here recently, I have been loving having the throw on my couch even during summer and warmer times. So I would love to know what team you're on. Is it team colder weather or team year-round for your throw? Alright, the kitchen is a disaster. I tried doing some keto baking, and I made this, I don't even know what you call it. It's a pizza without dough situation. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get all this cleaned up because I'm excited to start decorating for the party. Alright guys, so I went to Costco yesterday and stumbled upon these. So they have these 6-pack Feet and Natural Light, Vivid Natural Light light bulbs for $2.99. They were regular $14.99 with $12 off. I was like, wait, are they kidding me? The stipulation is you can only get 2 per purchase. So I had 3 in my basket, and the guy was really nice, and he just said, I'll just go ahead and put up another one separately. But it's a 6-pack for $2.99. You can't beat that. Go grab some. All right, let's keep cleaning. I think having counter space is a trap because it always gets super cluttered with all the papers that come into the house. But I really am trying to do better. And if you look at my older videos, you will see my counter is not as messy as it has been in some times past. I also am getting better about using my dishwasher because I just forever was a hand washer. And so here recently I have not really switched over, but I'm definitely making an effort to use my dishwasher a little bit more often. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up to the brim, and then everything that doesn't fit or everything that should be hand washed, I'm gonna go ahead and hand wash. And I do have a good clip of hand washing in here, so if you need some motivation to wash your dishes, go ahead and keep watching. This method spray is not my favorite. It's just very basic. The scent doesn't really make me feel any type of way. It gets the job done, but you know, I really like the scents like the pink grapefruit and the sea salt and lime. So I definitely am going to finish this bottle up and pick up some new fun scents. I'm really waiting for the apple cider scent from Mrs. Meyer's, and I believe that's a fall scent. So I've heard really good things about it, so I can't wait to get it so I can stock up. I feel like my stove gets dirty every second of the day, whether I'm using it or not. And the reality is my son has been wanting to cook a lot more lately and learn how to do different things, and so I've been allowing him, but you'll know the mess that it creates when you have your kids in the kitchen. So this is going to be like a very frequent task for me, pulling up the grates and cleaning those and cleaning everything else, because when he's in the kitchen, everything tends to get everywhere. Alright guys, so I picked up a few things for the 4th of July and some things that I had left over from last year, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put them out and have it all decorated and ready to go. And that's one less thing to worry about. As it gets closer, I can focus on just making sure I have all of the food. And let's go ahead and get started with this towel that we just put here. And it's just fun, it's festive, and it has the colors for 4th of July, red, white, and blue. As you can see, I did take off my comfy pants and I switched to comfy shorts because the girl was getting hot. Doing all of that moving and grooving and cleaning and carrying on, it was getting a little warm, and y'all know Cali weather is very hot during the summer, so I am just, switched it up a little bit, but we're gonna go ahead and get decorating. And my son wanted to help out, so he's gonna come and help me put up a lot of the decorations and get everything ready. What you will see is that he put up one side higher than the other, so he's going to eventually have to go back up there and pull it down to make sure that everything is level. But I didn't show as many times as he dropped the push pins. I don't know, he had butterfingers today. So I use my son to let me know height-wise where things should be and if things are centered. And if you guys notice, he wears glasses, so he is squinting and saying, oh, to the left, to the right, to the left. And it is just so hilarious to me because he really has no idea. He's just trying to be super helpful, which I totally love that he's trying to be super helpful. And you'll see we'll kind of struggle through this process as well. We do have more decorations that we're going to put in the kitchen, but because he's still cooking and we still got a lot of things going on in the kitchen, we're not going to put those up just quite yet because I don't want them to be messed up before the party comes. But we definitely could get this area taken care of because we won't be using this corner. So we definitely wanted to get this up and help you guys get some 4th of July motivation to make a little space. It's very simple, it's very budget friendly, but I think it turns out really cute. and so he wanted to finish it off by putting the window clings on the window, and they're really hard to see, and it looks like it's really dark in my house, but it's not. It's the light coming in from the windows. So I tried to play with the camera, but it just kind of goes from light to bright. But if you guys made it here, you guys are the real MVP. I appreciate you guys. Stay blessed, keep watching, and subscribe if you're not already.